And hello, my friends. It is 9:30 p.m. on November 9th, 2025 in Ottawa, Ontario. I'm home, and it seems temporarily the snowstorm has ceased. No snowflakes or anything here. But as you can see, there's well over 2 inches of snow here. It seems like the wind has died down, and the snow has temporarily stopped. So I don't know if that's the end of the storm. Probably not. Probably not. But yeah. Squirrels jumping around the steep snow, having fun trying to collect nuts and so forth. Leaves being covered up. And people desperately trying to get the leaves off the lawn last minute before the snow hits. Because when you think about it, when people have the leaves and snow goes on the leaves, those people have allergies to mold. The snow causes mold on the leaves. In the springtime, those people with allergies to mold get affected. So when people rake the leaves before the snow comes to avoid the mold, to avoid allergies for people sensitive to mold, that makes sense. So that's one thing to consider. Well, yeah, just watching my Toronto YouTuber friend. And the snow has subsided there a bit. And it stopped here temporarily, I guess, for now. But yeah. Just give an update. Home sweet home. And so forth. We'll talk again tomorrow about things. And might do a stream. There are people who are saying there's going to be a freezing rainstorm tomorrow. Hopefully not. But I made a bunch of money collecting cans in this crazy snowstorm. Exhausted. But enough to have a nice few cups of coffee at McDonald's again. Maybe a little snack. So anyways, just take care, stay safe. And hopefully everyone got the winter tires on and so forth. And even cleats. But stay safe out there, and might get slippery. Talk to you soon, my friends. Take care.